Hello YouTube, welcome to another episode of C. John Vlog. Today we're going to learn from an amateur how to cook an omelet, which he has no idea what he's doing. Alright, we got some ham, we got some 3 eggs, 3-egg omelet. He's going to slice up some ham. Make sure you don't use a sharp knife because you'll cut your finger. We're going to slice up some ham. Doesn't have to be perfect, Jay. Slice it up. Right? Yeah, this is amateur hour. Alright. Slice it a couple times. Turn it sideways and slice it some more. Hope you're not hungry because this is going to take forever. Alright, bring the garbage can over. Get the garbage can ready. Crack it on the side, Mom gets mad. And bust it, and then bring the garbage can closer so you don't get eggs everywhere. Throw it an eggshell. Crack it again so Mom gets mad. Bust it open. Alright. Turn the oven on, the stove on about 5 or 6 probably. Scramble it up, Jay. Do you want some black pepper?
You're supposed to put it in after. I saw that thing on Food Network that
I think it's better if it's cooked in.
Gordon Ramsay does not say that.
Okay, well we'll go with Gordon Ramsay on this one then.
Yeah, maybe this time.
Do you want any Slap You Mama's seasoning?
I might actually.
Okay, we have the Slap You Mama's seasoning. Got some chili powder. You want some chili powder?
No, not chili powder.
I think that's scrambled. You don't want to scramble it too good because you don't want to be able to flip it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Get the spray? No, we didn't spray it yet. Try not to get that on a flame because it will explode.
That'd be
highly flammable. Alright, let's crank it up. I'm going to dump it in. Alright, throw some ham in. Come on, Jay, throw a ham in while I'm still under 50. Hurry before it starts cooking. It doesn't have to be pretty, Jay, just throw it in all around. It'll still taste the same.
I'm going to eat some of this afterwards too.
Okay. Save some for garnish on top. Are we gonna put any cheese in? Are we gonna put any cheese on top?
Yeah, cheese. Oh.
Yeah, get the cheese out the fridge. You want to make sure it's bubbling up nice and good, so when you go to roll it up. I don't think you put the cheese in now, do you?
I don't know. This is amateur.
No. I think you put the cheese after you start rolling it. After you flip it, then you put the cheese. Yeah, I used to work at a pancake house.
Pancake house?
Yeah.
What pancake house?
Tiffin.
Tiffin, never heard of it.
Alright, so scoot it in the bottom. Make sure, don't flip it yet. Just make sure it's not sticking. All the way around. Keep going all the way around. Yeah, you're doing good. Alright. Let it cook some more.
Should I let the egg get under it?
I saw somebody do that one time. You might want to try to do that.
Hope I don't screw it up.
Yeah, probably will. Yeah. It's not working out so well, is it?
Yeah, no.
Alright, so you like it well done or kind of raw?
Well, I like it cooked.
Yeah, okay. Well, you can have a hard time flipping that, I bet. So get that all the way under. Try to scoop it all the way under. Alright, that's looking good. Make sure it's nice and slippery. Make sure it's not sticking.
Flip it
Not
halfway?
yet, not yet. You gotta flip it all the way. You gotta flip it all the way. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. Yeah, that might help.
Oh, yeah, he tilted it and we let it go under.
Yeah, that's good. Alright, put it back on the fire, Jay. You can cook if you're holding it.
I think it would. The pan's pretty hot right now.
Okay. Are we ready to flip it yet? It's still kind of running, huh?
Yeah, but on the top. Are we ready to flip it?
Make sure you go all the way through the middle. Make sure it's not sticking to it. Yeah, try to do your best.
Flip it? This is gonna be horrible.
Wait, you want to use a big spatula? Grab a big spatula. Grab a big spatula. Oh, but that's gonna melt.
I don't know what I'm doing. This is amateur.
Big spatula. Grab one of the big spatula. Yeah.
Big spatula.
Now get it all the way under. Yeah. Perfect. Hurry, push. Do it fast. Scoop it under and flip. Oh, that's not bad.
It's not horrible for an amateur.
Flip it again. Flip it all the way. Put it all the way and flip it all the way over.
What do you mean?
Let me show you.
Yeah, you do it. Oh, whoa! That was a little non-amateur. Like.
Yeah, it's gonna cook because it's still raw on that part that we flipped.
That's not that bad, honestly.
No, it's not gonna be bad.
It's not that bad.
Just let it cook some.
Eat some of this ham.
And then we're gonna flip it again and put the cheese.
Okay. Whoa.
Alright, grab the cheese, Jay.
I got the cheese.
Try to make some in the middle while it's still hot, so it'll melt. Don't get it on the pan though. Don't get the cheese on the pan.
Trying.
Alright, just leave it like that. Put a whole much cheese as you want. Spread it out. Alright. That might be enough.
You think the inside's gonna be like completely raw?
No.
No?
I don't think it's gonna be completely raw.
I'm gonna get a plastic plate. That's how you rub it up.
That might make the cheese melt.
Take lessons.
How's it looking?
It looks pretty good to me, honestly. I didn't think it'd be this well. Be this good or whatever.
Alright, see if you can stick the spatula in there and flip it.
Flip it?
Yeah. Get it all the way under. There you go. Why you turn the fire off?
Because the pan's too, I mean, it's already hot. It's
Okay.
gonna keep on cooking it regardless.
Okay. Well, put it on, see if you can put it on the plate it. You got 30 seconds to plate it.
30 seconds to plate.
30 seconds to plate, guys. Oh, yes, plated.
Sticks the landing.
Presentation. How's the presentation look? You want to put some cheese on top or some ham on top?
I feel like I should.
Or you, oh, we know where to put the pepper. When you can put the pepper on now?
Yeah, we're gonna put the pepper on.
Okay.
The Slap Your Mama?
Whatever you want. Slap your mama
Ooh, it's
seasoning.
hot.
Yeah, it's hot cheese, melted cheese. Let me see, let me get a good view of it. You got your hand, all I see is your hands.
Sorry.
That's not raw, that's the cheese melted.
That's not that bad.
Put some little bit of pepper.
Let me get a fork so I can like straighten this out.
Whoa. Alright. You gonna put a little bit of sloppy mamas?
Yeah.
Do you even know if you like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's not coming out. Look. Okay, there you go.
Alright, I don't want to get it too salty. We have to have the taste test now. Oh, a little Tabasco?
Oh yeah, spice it up.
Kick it up a notch? Alright. Oh wow.
I like my Tabasco.
Alright, I see that. Alright, take a fork and see if you see how it is. Make sure it's not runny in the middle.
Oh, it's not right.
Well, raw eggs won't kill you.
Nah, they might.
No, people drink them.
Oh yeah, that's true.
See how it is.
It's a handful of it.
How is it, Jay?
Honestly, not that bad.
Not that bad for amateur
omelet.
hour?
First, it's not that bad for our first ever one.
Alright. Do you have a channel? Do you have a YouTube channel?
No, I do not.
Alright. Alright, make sure you check out my merch channel. Alright, y'all have a good one. Remember, click the thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Subscribe if you haven't. I don't know why you wouldn't have already, but
Yeah.
subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment down below. See y'all next time on Cooking with JJ.